This video is to help you understand the Afynity registration process. So please watch the steps carefully. When you download Afynity from Play Store, they will ask for these permissions, which you have to say allow. Then remember, when this screen appears for the first time, you have to click on New User Sign Up, which is down below. You don't have to put your user ID and the password which you registered or otherwise on the server. You have to sign up as a new user for Afynity. When you will click on sign up, which is there beside new user, you will see the sign up screen. And in case you have forgotten the earlier registered password, then you can simply put forgot password and you will get the SMS password. This is the screen for sign up. You have to put all the details, name, last name, your email ID. Now if you put the same email ID which you put as user ID on Dynamite server, then it will link your account directly with the Dynamite server account. Press register. Rest of the process are simple. If you are not a mentor, you don't have to click on mentor. Just keep everything like that.